Oh yeah, actually I'm glad I did change it. Look, it's Milky. That's not good. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. Today we're working on the John Deere 210. We're gonna change out transmission fluid in the rear end, grease up a couple points, and oil up a couple points. And if I got time, I'm gonna do an oil change. Always put cardboard down in case you spill. You need a oil pan to catch it. I use a crescent wrench because they're square nuts or square bolts. I really hope that they're just hand tight. Hopefully the last person didn't put them on super tight. I got chain lube. This stuff is amazing. I got my oil can with oil in it. This is what you guys need for the 210, guys, is the Hy-Gard. This is what it takes to go in the transmission for the rear end. It takes 1.75 bottles of this. So we're gonna have a little bit left over. I'm gonna do an oil change on it, and I got my grease gun. This is the key piece, guys, is this thing. It's probably, I don't know, I think it cost me like 15 bucks. Worth every penny of 15. You're gonna see, first off, this goes in the bottle, you pump it out, and then you can pump it right in. So if you come close, you can see for the transmission, the drain plug is right here, and the fill plug is right here. So when you're filling it up, you fill it up to the point that it starts coming out, and then you're good. And that is impossible to get a funnel in there. You do this, you pump it in, you stick this in there, you pump it, and it makes life 100 times easier. First, I'm gonna take off the fill plug so that we can get to the drain plug so it drains good. Somebody put this on pretty freaking tight. I gotta go both ways just to kind of loosen it. There we go. Oh yeah, actually I'm glad I did change it. Look, it's Milky. That's not good. That means water got in there. So that's actually a real good thing. And then if you look at the plug, clearly it's magnetic. Look at all the stuff that's on there. We'll clean that up. And now I'm definitely glad. It's like chocolate milk, guys. That's not good. That means water got in there somehow. Like I said, this tractor's been sitting in somebody's field for many years. And we're gonna bring it back to life. All right, well, while that's draining, and I'm gonna let that drain real good. Try to get as much out as I can. I'm gonna take my grease gun, and there's 3 points to grease on this tractor. That's it. Is the front. For the steering, we'll just pump it until it comes out. There, it's starting to come out good. Okay, we're gonna grease the other side. I'm not seeing black grease come out, which tells me this probably has not been greased in a really long time. And then there's one, guys, it's a pain in the butt to get to. Part of the steering mechanism, it's way up underneath here. It's right here, guys. That's it right there. I gotta clean it. All right, so now I'm just gonna put the grease gun on there, give it a couple pumps. I'm doing this blind, guys, so that you guys can see it on the camera. Hopefully I get it. There we go, should be on. Give it a couple pumps, and it should come out around here and over here where my fingers are. And then, guys, there's one more spot I forgot about right here where the foot pedal goes. There we go, you see the grease coming out. A lot of dirt comes out, good. All right, guys, so after oiling all that up, this should turn a lot. Yeah, look, it turns 100 times easier now. Granted, that thing has been sitting in a field for a long time, and it was a pain to turn the wheel. It moves 100 times easier. So now we're back to the point that we're gonna fill this back up. So this has got two different types of plugs. The one with the black is the magnetic plug. So it sticks. The other one is not magnetic. That's the fill. That's a smart thing. Don't forget that, because anything that breaks up in there, you want the metal out. So make sure that the magnet goes on the bottom. I'm just gonna wipe it away real quick. Okay. Some of this is gonna spill when I go to fill it. Plus I have to let it spill out. That's how I know that it's full. Perfect. Gotta fill it up first. There we go. Yeah, this stuff is like clear. So that stuff that was in there, it's look at the difference between the two. So definitely worth it to change it out. All right, let me see if I can get this in here. See if that'll stay so I can pump it. All right, this bottle is pretty much all used up. Just because I'm only going to use 1.75 of it, guys. Since I already cut this, I'm just going to take this and pour it right into here. Put this back in here, and let's keep pumping. Let's see how that is. Is that just coming out because whatchamacallit, or is it actually coming out? Let's see. Nope, so we gotta put a little bit more. I didn't fill it all the way up, guys. I'm gonna put the rest in here. There we go, I'm finally leaking out. All right, perfect. Perfect. Gonna let that sit for a second. And then I'll save this for any futures. Take my other plug, and we'll put the other plug on. Now I know there's oil down below. I'm not sure if it's from the overflow that dripped all the way down, but I might just throw one more quarter turn, just to make sure that that is tight. All right, now that I got that done, I'm gonna do a quick oil change. And since I got the pan out and everything, I'm just gonna do it, and then I can dispose of all this stuff at my local dump. Takes hydraulic fluid, oil, it all goes into one big vat of stuff that they have there. So all right, so we'll do a quick very quick oil change. Now whoever had this, they put a plumbing fitting on the bottom. It's kind of weird, not sure, maybe to make it easier to drain the oil, but it's weird. I've never seen it like that before. But oh, the other thing too, guys, I'm just gonna move the transmission around, the stick. It actually moves pretty good. Before it kind of had trouble moving. So more to come on that, guys. All right, so let's see what we got here. So there's a drain plug underneath. Plus I just want to check again real quick. Nothing's leaking. Good. That's the key. I tried to figure this out, and it looks like this spins, and I don't know if the oil is going to come out at me this way or if it's going to come out from the bottom. I have absolutely no idea. I've never seen anything like this before. There we go. Yep, it's going to come out there. And one other thing too, guys, I'm going to take the top off so that we get some air in there. Hopefully it'll drain better. All right, guys, well, while that's draining, last thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to take my chain lube, and I'm going to spray a couple spots with the chain lube just to make sure things are going good, moving good. I know we greased that. I'm just going to spray a couple spots just to make sure stuff is good and lubed up. It moves pretty good. I've used this stuff so much. I love it. I put it on everything. It makes life so much easier when it everything just flows better, moves easier. I know that I need the foot pedal on here. I know that, but it'll move better. It'll lubricate. Doesn't wash away as easy. As you can see, when it's sprayed, it foams up. It's like a grease and an oil at the same. This is still draining. Alright, that's going to take a while, guys. I'll be right back. Now that we got all the new transmission fluid in here, and we greased it up and lubed it up, just waiting for the oil to finish draining. I don't have a plug for the bottom. I'm going to have to buy one. I got to change that. I don't like that setup. But I'm going to put the tires on, the rear tires. I know we painted them the other day. They didn't come out that great. I'm not impressed with the paint, but better than what I had. Until I get new tires and rims for it, I'll take it. Even though these tires look like they're in bad shape, believe it or not, they hold air. I can't believe it. They're dry rotted and they still hold air. Okay, let's get the other one on. Like I was saying, guys, this one holds air too. I can't believe it. It's been sitting out for over a week outside. Tires dry rotted, holds air. And don't forget, guys, it's a 5/8 is what it is for the lug nuts. The wheels look halfway decent, but it's just coming back together. Still waiting on this oil. I do not like this setup at all. It takes forever for it to drain out. Yeah, at least it's not touching the dipstick anymore. That's good. I'm gonna try something, blow some air in there, see if it probably nothing's coming out. Nothing's coming out faster, I bet you. Just gotta wait this out. It's a waiting game, guys. Pretty windy out still, but we're just finishing up. We're gonna finish up with the oil change on the John Deere 210. I gotta close it. Just want to make sure that it's definitely closed. The last thing I want to do is start putting oil in here and then have it leak out on me. Just gonna clean the stick before I pour new fresh oil in there. And don't forget, guys, red for oil, white for fuel, but I always do that. And then just fill it up. Oh, it's so clean. Just so clean, I can't tell. Yep, it's just below full, so we're in good shape. If I pull this tape off, we painted the other day. I want to try to see if I can get this thing started. I'll clean that up, guys, later on. Right now, I just want to try to put the battery on and see if I could crank warm it up. Like I was saying, Guys, originally they had a Lexus battery in there. I'm taking advantage of it for the time being. We'll get the proper battery for it down the road. I just want to crank it over a few times and see if I can get her to warm up. Problems when you have the wrong battery. That's the positive. I know the battery's been sitting outside and it's been kind of cold out. Let's just see if I can get her to start. Neutral. I bet you the battery's dead. I wonder if it's the seat. Alright guys, it wouldn't start because of the connection for the seat. So I brought the seat over, connected it, and as soon as I connected it, we got power. So I just want to get it running a little bit, let it run, and then I'm going to check the oil, and if I got to add more, I'll add more. Hopefully I got enough fuel in the tank. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap it up. I did a new transmission fluid, did that, greased it all up, oiled it up, did an oil change, so more to come. I'm going to start putting the body pieces back on. It's super cold out, it's windy out, it's not the greatest of conditions outside right now to be doing it, but more to come. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, let me know your thoughts. Drop me a comment. Other than that, guys, don't forget to check out the website. It's got all my tools on there, what I'm using, etc., etc., parts, pieces, etc. So don't forget, most important, guys, hard work feels good. Give it a try. See ya.